Picture this for a second. The sky pouring liquid iron, heat so intense it eats through metal. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi novel, right? But this place is real. Welcome to WASP-76b. About 650 light-years from here, there's a planet so wild, so completely alien, our worst nightmares seem tame next to it. One side is always stuck in scorching daylight, think over 2,400 degrees Celsius, while the other side never sees the sun at all, permanent darkness. But honestly, that's just the start. On the day side, it gets so blistering that iron doesn't just melt, it turns to vapor and floats around in the air. Metal, just drifting like mist. Let that sink in for a moment. This planet is tidally locked, so one half forever faces its star, burning, while the other half stays frozen in the shadows. Winds whip around the globe at thousands of kilometers an hour, grabbing those iron vapors and flinging them from the boiling day side to the cooler night side. And when the vaporized metal reaches that border between day and night, something wild happens. The air cools down just enough for iron to condense, and it rains. Not water, not ice, actual liquid iron. Drops of molten metal falling from the sky. Let's put this in perspective. WASP-76b is what scientists call a hot Jupiter. It's a gas giant, almost twice as big as Jupiter, but it hugs its star so closely that it races around it in just 1.8 Earth days. That's right, 1 year there is less than 2 days here. That close orbit is what creates this inferno. On the day side, the temperature is hot enough to melt titanium, vaporize iron, and turn rock to lava. If you could somehow stand on the night side and look toward the day, you wouldn't see a sunrise. You'd see a wall of glowing heat, metallic clouds swirling above, and iron rain pouring down at the border. Astronomers first found WASP-76b back in 2013, but it wasn't until 2020 that they caught the real show. Using the Very Large Telescope in Chile, scientists spotted clear signs of vaporized iron in the atmosphere on the day side. But here's the kicker. On the night side, there were no iron signatures at all. The only way to explain it? The iron had already rained out before the winds could carry it back. And honestly, iron rain might just be the beginning. Researchers think other metals, magnesium, calcium, even titanium, could be condensing and falling as wild, exotic rain, too. Some even talk about clouds made of corundum, the stuff that forms rubies and sapphires. Imagine a world where it rains gemstones and liquid metal. WASP-76b isn't just another weird planet. It's proof that the universe likes to break the rules. We used to think planets played by simple guidelines, gas giants out far, rocky planets in close, predictable atmospheres. Then this planet came along and threw all that out the window. It's a reminder that the cosmos is far stranger, wilder, and more inventive than we ever thought possible. And it makes you stop and wonder, if iron can rain from the sky, what else is waiting out there? WASP-76b, a blazing world of endless fire, furious winds, and skies that bleed metal. Somewhere out in the endless dark, even stranger worlds are waiting for us to find them.